You're full of it, alright, a bunch of bullshit and empty threats. Forgetting I'm eccentric and demented with a dented head. Spit fireworks and dire straits. I am in the higher place. My stomach is a fireplace, belly of the beast. Landed planted on your planet while my aliens increase. No containing me, this is my alias. A head case could drive like I'm in death race. Mad pain. In my DNA, I'm on that PMA like bad brain. The rumor is they like consuming gloomy doom. I'm Looney Tunes. OMG, a bunch of grueling goony goons. The moon is blue, moody dude. Reclusive, I'll be in the boomie soon. Thought I was broken and I couldn't cope with the mileage, but I've been through the violence. I've been alone at home and had the eeriest silence. The voices in my head, they were keeping me quiet. I moved away to LA to the COVID and riots. Stuck with Shane needs millions. My brain bleeds brilliance. I just need a chance, already know that I'm resilient. And Tom gave me an awesome opportunity, but I went off the grid cause I'm the boss of awkward lunacy. I got a couple whips and also got some awesome jewelry. So every time I walk my dog, I got my tool with me. Look, trying to chase my dream, but my dream's on steroids. The clock keeps ticking, so I get more paranoid. Hey, damn dirty eight, walking with the 38. Hunger of a younger man, but staring at a dirty plate. Depressed, I'm a mess, and my bed looks like a shallow grave. Feel like my words are wasted, like they echo down a hollow cave. Hey, damn dirty eight, walking with the 38. Hey, words blurted hate, mad increase the murder rate. Fangs leave puncture marks, these wounds fresh and deep. My head will explode. Please don't pressure me. Demons